Good product but durability will be known after 1 year use. I am using this from 2 months, no issues till date. Overall product is good. However, faced problem in middle burner. While using in low flame, fire get extinguished. Value of money. Good. Yes, this is satisfied product. Every penny worth, burner quality also goods, easy use. Only to take care of top glass. Product quality is excellent. Good product. Thanks for Amazon. Good product. Nice. Good, only nice, but size is small. OD, then quality wise okay, only if you want look wise long, that is not one. This is a good product. Excellent product. Nice. Click link in description for more reviews.